Every single day, thousands of airplanes fill the skies above us, yet they almost never collide. To passengers, the sky looks empty. To pilots, it's part of a carefully organized system. The sky isn't an open space. It's filled with invisible highways connecting the entire world.
Behind every safe flight is an unseen team, managing one of the world's most complex transportation systems.
Air traffic controllers don't fly the airplanes, but they guide every movement with extraordinary precision. Every aircraft is constantly being tracked, measured, and separated from every other flight.
Even when airplanes appear close from the ground, they're often separated by thousands of feet.
The sky is carefully divided into invisible layers, giving every aircraft its own protected space.
Every few seconds, each aircraft tells the world exactly where it is. This invisible network is only the beginning. The real secret lies in how every airplane knows exactly where every other airplane is. Modern airplanes never stay silent. Every few seconds, they automatically broadcast who they are, where they are, how fast they're flying, and how high they are. Each transmission creates a live digital identity that can be seen by the entire aviation network. Long before satellites, radar gave controllers the ability to see aircraft far beyond the horizon.
To controllers, the sky isn't empty. It's a constantly changing digital map.
Navigation satellites allow an airplane to know its position within just a few meters. Pilots no longer rely only on what they can see through the windshield.
Airplanes don't just communicate with the ground, they also keep track of one another. The system isn't only watching the present, it's constantly predicting the future.
If two airplanes ever come too close, another hidden system immediately takes control. Traffic, climb.
Climbing, 100 above.
Even if every other layer of protection failed, one final guardian inside the cockpit is ready to prevent a collision. Every second, onboard computers compare hundreds of flight calculations, searching for even the smallest risk. The system is always looking ahead, because preventing danger is easier than reacting to it.
If the predicted separation becomes unsafe, the aircraft prepares to act, long before humans could react. Traffic, acknowledged, climbing. If necessary, the aircraft itself becomes the final layer of protection.
The instructions are coordinated instantly. One climbs while the other descends. Within seconds, the potential conflict disappears without passengers ever noticing. Every day, millions of invisible decisions quietly keep the world's air traffic moving safely. No single system keeps airplanes safe. Aviation depends on many independent layers working together. While passengers simply enjoy the journey, an invisible network works every second to protect them. The next time you look up at the sky, remember, above every cloud is an invisible highway, protected by one of the greatest engineering systems ever created. Every year, more airplanes fill the sky, yet the system continues to evolve to keep every journey safe. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing controllers. It's becoming another layer of assistance. Satellites now help monitor aircraft even where ground radar cannot reach.
Some airports are now guided from remote digital towers, expanding safety to places once difficult to monitor.
Future aircraft will communicate faster, think smarter, and respond even more efficiently. No matter how advanced technology becomes, trained professionals remain at the heart of every safe flight. Millions of people, thousands of flights, countless technologies, one perfectly coordinated system.
The next time you look up and see an airplane crossing the sky, remember, behind every
peaceful journey is an invisible network of engineers, pilots, controllers, satellites.